So every club has a sweet spot, about 4 or 5 grooves up. And if I take a golf ball here and start bouncing it, you can hear it's dead, you know, just about everywhere. And then when we find the center of the face, there's a little bit of spring there, so the ball will jump. So the idea behind becoming a good player and hitting it consistently is finding the center of the face frequently. So if I set up a club like this, guys, notice at address, what part of the club is the ball touching?
The bottom of the face.
The bottom, right?
Yeah.
And that's not the sweet spot. So the only way we're going to hit the sweet spot is if you notice, when we strike it, our hands are going to be slightly forward where the ball is in impact. So what we're looking to achieve is on our way down, striking ball first, then ground. So if the bottom of our arc is happening after the golf ball, then that means we're not going to be touching any grass really before we strike the ball. This is important because if we're going to control how far we hit it, we don't want to add any variables. So if we have thick grass, sand, right, all those things are going to take off distance of the ball. If we're constantly hitting it in the center of the face, what you're going to see is you're going to see the same shot coming off the club every time. So not so much left and right, because everybody's going to miss left and right, but the fact that when I hit it, every shot's going the same distance, right? Does that make sense? Okay, guys, you can come over here. So thanks again for coming out. I know it's cold, it's windy, so I appreciate you guys coming to this week's clinic series. So what we're going to cover today is bunker play. So the first thing we're going to cover is kind of similar to what we did in full swing is the why, right? The job of the club, all the things that make up a good shot, and what we want to do to recreate getting the golf ball out. So we're gonna go into that, then we're gonna do a couple of drills, and then we're gonna end with some different ways to practice, right? So what we're gonna cover today are 2 different shots. We're gonna cover the dig and push and the spin shot. So depending on where the flag is going to be, or depending on how you may lie in a bunker, we're gonna cover which shot to use, what club to use, and when to use it. Make sense?
Yep.
Today we're going to do the difference between chipping and pitching. All right? Who knows what the difference is? Anyone? Difference between a chip and a pitch.
One of them goes up higher and then one of them goes lower.
Okay. One of them? Which one?
A chip goes higher.
The chip goes higher? Does anyone disagree with that? Daniel?
The chip usually goes a little bit, then rolls out, while pitch is up in there longer and stops quicker.
All right, so chip spends more of its time on the ground, and a pitch spends more of its time in the air, right? And today we're going to talk about how we want to hit the chip, how we want to hit the pitch, and when to use the shot.